Yes, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's back again. We're back with another show. Yes, we're back. We're back. How are you guys doing right now? Welcome to the show. I am your friend, your buddy, your brother from another mother. You know, I go by the name Smart Investor, right? You know how we do it down here, guys. Just be giving you breakdowns. Okay, just doing a little bit of analysis, analyzing, talking about crypto, and guys, you can already see BTC reclaimed 55,000. Okay, Bitcoin back on that 55,000, baby. Yeah, he's back. Bitcoin be like being bullish, right? Get that, okay? 55,000. Are we gonna get to 60? Are we gonna get 70? 60? Oh, I don't know, guys. But today I'm super excited. Show is all about Bitcoin, and you know, guys, once Bitcoin starts doing its thing, then other cryptos that are linked to Bitcoin, they will start surging. Okay, so we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about youth. Yeah, youth. We're also gonna talk about what's the other one? We're just gonna talk about a lot, guys. Just a general discussion, and then we look at the charts. Just do some data analysis there. How the price has been performing, how the stock has been performing, and stuff like that. What are the problems? You know how we do it right here, guys. So let's chop it up. But guys, do not forget to give me a do not forget to link to click on the subscription button. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to hit the follow button as well. So without further ado, let's go into the presentation. Okay. So let's go. There you go. Market overview, Bitcoin, and all of them people. Okay, so that is the market overview there that we have for you guys. You can really see there. Uh, Bitcoin, so it regained momentum, breaking the 55,000 threshold after a very sharp decline, right? So yeah, you can know that the recent Bitcoin price surge, guys, it reached 55,848. So this is indicating a strong recovery, right? Strong. Wow, this chair is very bouncy. A strong recovery. Yep, and this is also supported by broader positive sentiments as well in the global markets. Yeah, so there is positivity in the global markets, right? About the boy Bitcoin, and that's what caused it to surge back to that $55,848. Okay, so hooray to everybody who's holding on to Bitcoin, guys. If Bitcoin is a part of your portfolio, definitely some of you guys are very happy. Okay, so yeah, so you can see, yeah, guys, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, also they mirrored Bitcoin's market recovery depth, and also some altcoins deviated from the trend. The meme coin space saw a clear rise in value. Okay, so definitely, guys, you can see that generally the cryptocurrency price movement has been significant here, guys. Here, so it's been very significant. Yeah, so there you go, Bitcoin, guys. So as I was saying, this cryptocurrency, Bitcoin's price movement has been very significant with a fluctuation range between 49,121 24 and 56,271.37 in the past 24 hours, only in 24 hours. Okay, increased by a percentage of 3.12% to reach that 55,848. 28.13. Definitely that is good. And you can also see that this rebound, guys, aligns with the rise in global stock market indices such as the Nikkei index as well. So yeah, so as the Nikkei index was rising, and also you can see that the stock price was also what kind of rising, which also Nikkei has climbed by a nearly almost 10%. Okay, so you can also notice that the parallel increase in Bitcoin and traditional market indices suggest a recovery in what? In investor confidence. Again, this might have been fueled by a positive microeconomic outlook and risk on sentiments in financial markets. Okay, so definitely you can see that as Bitcoin's been doing well. Yeah, so you can also notice, guys, Bitcoin's recent price action and recovery to the critical 55,000 level, guys. This only suggests that it continues to be influenced by broader market trends. Okay, investors, both investors and traders, may be like viewing Bitcoin like looking at Bitcoin like that. Okay, they may be viewing Bitcoin as a hedge, right, against traditional assets or as a speculative investment in a risk on environment. Okay, so yeah, guys, so this highlights the importance of always being up to date with the markets, right? Always being up to date with the markets. Yeah. Always up to date with your markets, right? Always up to date with the markets. Yeah, definitely, guys. So there you go. So always up to date with the markets. Okay, let me just create some space here. Okay, create some space for myself. Create some space for me. Okay, so definitely there you go, guys. So now let's move on and let's see what's been happening with the other cryptos as well. So you can also see we did speak on the other ones like Youth, Solana, and XRP, and we did say that these they kind of mirrored the Bitcoin's market recovery as well. Okay. So definitely, guys, you can also see that. So for youth, okay, so Ethereum usually typically follows Bitcoin's lead. Okay, youth typically follows Bitcoin's lead in market trends. Okay, so for example, if Bitcoin experiences a significant price increase, Ethereum often sees a corresponding rise due to positive market sentiments and increased investor confidence in cryptocurrencies. Okay, so some factors that influence Ethereum's performance, guys, as things such as developments in decentralized markets, things like non-fungible tokens as well, and updates to the Ethereum network. Okay, like transition to Ethereum 2 as well. Solana, almost the same as well. You can see that if you've been following Solana, it has shown strong growth in the past, often paralleling Bitcoin's market trends. But then Solana, now the thing is, it's unique and it comes with its own dynamics driven by its unique features. Okay, such as your high transaction speed and low cost. Okay, so that is one thing about Solana, how it kind of like mirrors Bitcoin. And then we've also got XRP to an extent. It also kind of, as Bitcoin does well, XRP actually does well as well. XRP, or some call it Ripple, to be somewhat less, okay, it might not be, it's less correlated with the thing with this one, it's less correlated with Bitcoin compared to the other two that we've been talking about, partly due to its different use case and also things like its regulatory challenges. Okay. especially in the US. Okay, but however, guys, it still reacts to overall market sentiments. Okay, so definitely these are some general observations that we have for you here. So let me just give you a breakdown. I made some notes here. So Ethereum followed Bitcoin's upward trend, benefiting from the overall positive market sentiments. Okay, in the last day, Ethereum price increased by approximately 4.5%. Okay, in those 24 hours when our Bitcoin was obviously fluctuating in its price. Also, Ethereum did experience a 4.5 increase in its price, and so yeah, so this recovery just reflects broader market dynamics and also some renewed interest in youth's ecosystem as well. So Solana also, guys, it also experienced a more pronounced recovery compared to Bitcoin and youth. Okay, so Solana price surged by over a whopping 15%, and this made it one of the top gainers in the cryptocurrency market. Okay, and this increase, guys, it was just driven by strong rebound in the broader financial markets and a return of you guys, your investor confidence. Okay, so yeah, so so it broke through a critical resistance level and is currently trading above the 200-day moving average. Okay, so this is also signaling potential for further gains. Definitely this is good for Solana, guys. So this is good for Solana as well. So XRP just generally it mirrored the general market recovery, showing positive price movements. XRP's price increased alongside the overall crypto market. So it increased alongside youth. It increased alongside Bitcoin. It increased alongside XRP. That is what alongside Solana, I mean. Okay, so it just responded to the overall cryptocurrency market. That's what it just did. Although its gains were more moderate compared to maybe Bitcoin and Solana. So that is that, and Solana. Okay, so that is that for our XRP or Ripple. So you can notice that if you go and check out the news, the rebound in XRP's price was influenced by the positive sentiments in the market, despite its unique challenges such as regulatory issues. Okay, so now let's go. Let's go to the next one. Guys, make sure that you follow. So I already spoke about this. Okay, I was just giving you guys a breakdown. So now let's just go into some of the things that we like to do here. Guys, do not forget to follow. Do not forget to stay. Do not forget to talk to us. Okay, do not forget, just follow, just stay, guys. Okay, we need you over here. Okay, so there we go, guys. This is what we had for you. Okay, now let's go. Let's talk about our chart that you see right there. You can obviously see that the chart here, guys, is for Bitcoin against the US dollar. So you just want to do like a quick little analysis here, and okay, I'm looking for my screen. Okay, this is what happens. So usually when I talk, I also want to okay, guys, give me a second, guys. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Okay, so there you go, guys. So obviously we have got some price levels and some trend lines. Allow me to just move my, okay, let me bring it up here. Okay, because I don't want to block out anything. Thank you. So you can see, guys, so some price levels and some trend lines that you guys can clearly see there, guys. Some resistance and support. You can notice that we have got some multiple horizontal lines there that are marking our key resistance and support level, particularly the lines around that 62,000, 62,000 and 74, 58,068, and also that 51,347. They seem to denote significant price levels, with the chart showing also other historical interactions at those 3 points. So those are our what? Those are our 3 main points: 62,074, 58,068, and also that 51,347 as well. You can also notice that we've got an ascending trend line, and it's being denoted by that thick black line. And this one is just indicating the general upward trend over the period that has been shown here, while another line, which is at the top, seems to denote a potential channel or a consolidation pattern for this. Okay, let's just go zoom into a little recent price action here. Okay, so you can also see that the recent price action is, where do we see it? It is seen interacting with the resistance zone marked by that horizontal line near the 62,000 mark, which seems to be a significant barrier as well. And we also have our moving averages, the 50-day and the 200-day moving average. So 50-day is the one in red, 200-day is the one in black. Also, you can also notice that your MACD as well is really showing that good MACD, what it always shows us, strength and possible reversals. Okay, so you can see, according to the MACD here, guys, there appears to be a recent crossover or change in the MACD histogram. So this is just suggesting that there's been a shift in momentum. Okay, so you can also notice that as well, guys. So some important key points here, important zones to monitor on this chart. Okay, guys, marks. Okay, so the chart zone, that we've got a zone there that is labeled A. So this one, guys, it's indicating a key area of interest, possibly the support zone or a price target. Okay, so let's just give a little small analysis here for this one, guys. So you can notice that we have our consolidation and resistance. Okay, so you can see that Bitcoin here is in a period of consolidation and resistance around 62,000. So breaking through this level with strong volume for Bitcoin could mean what? It could indicate a potential bullish continuation. You also would notice that there has been a critical support at that $51,347 level, which has held previously, and it has held really good. Just for context sake, if the price drops below this level, it could indicate a bearish trend or correction. Okay, so definitely these are some of the things to really watch. So your MACD as well. So our MACD here, guys, MACD line indicator is showing a potential in the shift of momentum, right? Okay, so here in general, I'm feeling as if a bullish crossover might suggest a buying opportunity for some of you. If we have a bullish crossover here, according to the MACD, it might present a buying opportunity, while a bearish crossover could indicate a lot of selling pressure. Okay, so what kind of a strategy might you want to employ over here? So the strategy, guys, so given the current setup, what we have on this chart, guys, it could be prudent and wise for you guys to monitor the price action around those key resistance and support levels. What are the key resistance and support levels that we've been talking about? I talked about the 62,074, the other one which is 58,068, and the last one which is 51,347. So you want to watch those resistance and support levels, also along with the MACD indicator and also your trading volume as well. So yeah, so breaking through the resistance with strong volume could be a signal for you to consider some long buying positions, while a failure at resistance or break could suggest caution or maybe some short openings or short positions. So feel free to ask any other questions that you want to ask. Welcome back right now. Oh my God, I don't know what's going on today. I'm just feeling thirsty. I don't know. There we go. That is what we had for you right there. A little breakdown for you there. We're still continuing with the show. Okay, so now let's just go to the next one. This is the next one. Allow me to move my my face, my head. Let me just put it in the corner there. Yeah, make me left in the corner, right? Yeah, yes, people. So yeah, let's go. Let's speak. So there you go, guys. I hope you can see everything clearly right now. Okay, yep. I just wanted to make sure that I could see myself as well. So you can see I have another chart as well. So this is a chart of a more recent price action. Definitely, let's look at some of the elements that are here, guys. So we did speak about the area A, zone B. So you can see it's also highlighting significant levels, particularly around 64,555.89, 62,347.95, and these are the resistant points. And you also see support near that 51,247.51. Okay, and you can see that our broader support zone here, guys, is that A platform. This is our broader support zone. You can really see there, nice and long. Okay, we also have another support above that one, which is marked as B, and this is kind of like acting as the resistance zone. So you can see it's really tough for even the moving averages, any of these lines to go above that zone. Okay, for a prolonged period of time. Okay, so this just suggests that recent price action has been facing difficulty breaking through that B range, that B platform. Okay, so let's take another deep dive into our trend lines. You can see there, guys, we have that big upper black line and another trend line above the price action. This is just suggesting the presence of a descending channel. So this is indicating a potential for a downtrend or a consolidation phase. That is what the upper black line and that other trend line are kind of like bringing out on here. So you can also see we have a nice horizontal support line there. And this is just marking a strong support levels, which is observed near that 51,247.51. And this, guys, just aligns with the lower boundary of the broad support zone A. Okay, there we go. Just analyzing prices. I can see some your 50 and your 200-day moving average is there as well, guys, both showing some very long trends, and this just means that the price appears to be below these moving averages as well, which can often indicate some bearish outlook. Okay, so let's see. So you can see that here, guys, this recent one on this recent technical analysis on this recent chart, the price movement here, guys, is just showing a clear downward trajectory, and it's been breaking through several support levels. So you can see here, guys, that the price currently hovers near the critical support zone around 51,247.51. So it's just hovering there as well. The price is confined also within that a descending channel, which just, so that's why you see that it has got those lower highs and those lower lows, which is kind of signaling a bearish trend for this one as well. Yep. And also, if you check at your MACD as well, guys, your MACD indicator is those bearish crossovers and some negative histogram bars there, as just talking about continued downward momentum, right? Continued downward momentum. So what are some of the considerations for us, all of us here, guys? We can already see that we've established that our key support level is around the broader part of zone A. This is critical to watch, and also try to watch 51,247 because a breakdown below this zone, this key support, could lead to further declines. But for now, it's doing good. Okay, it's also resistance zone B. So any bullish reversal will likely face resistance around the level marked in zone B. Okay, so that's actually kind of good. A break above this zone with a lot of strong volume might signal some trend reversal. Okay, and you need to continue to monitor your MACD indicator for potential bullish divergence as well. Okay, so in conclusion, you can notice that mosquito there, given the current bearish sentiments and the price positions within the descending channel, so you have to have a bit of caution here. Okay, so if you're a trader, you should want to consider waiting for a clear breakout from the descending channel, or for signs of a bottoming pattern near the support zone before considering attempting long positions. Okay, but for short-term trades, definitely keeping an eye on the support levels and potential short opportunities if these levels break is really crucial for you. Okay, so that's all we had for the Bitcoin. How you guys doing? Welcome to the live broadcast right now. It's your boy Z. We are moving on with the show. Okay, without further ado, let's go to youth. Okay, we did speak about youth as well. So without a doubt, you can see there, guys, what youth has done. Definitely. So Ethereum's recent surge to $2,492 per coin, as representing a 7.15% increase, and this has attracted a lot of market attention, right? And how did this sharp rise came? So this sharp rise, guys, it came after the price fluctuated between 2,162.32 and 2,547.98 in the past 24 hours. So this is just demonstrating strong market performances for youth, and also many other Bitcoins. We did speak on this earlier as well. So you can also notice, guys, the notable factor in this rally was the activity in the major cryptocurrency players, okay, the major cryptocurrency market players, such as people like Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, okay. So during the recent downturn, Sun strategically withdrew 14,884 ethers, showcasing maybe what we term as a buy low strategy. This move signals confidence in youth, potential for future gains, and suggests that key investors like him are preparing for a continued upward trend as well. Definitely. So what does this mean, guys? This only means that this kind of strategic action by influential figures can significantly impact market sentiments, as their movements are often closely watched or monitored by other investors. Okay, this anticipation for some future gains combined with a recovering market contributed to youth's strong performance during this whole period. Okay, so that's that for youth. Let's move on with the broadcast. Okay, now there we go. We're gonna chop it up down here. This is our this is for youth. We've arrived that one, guys. That ooh la la. Okay, so you can see, guys. Let's go about it. This is from Yahoo, by the way. This is what I use if it's your first time here, guys. Make sure that you follow. Make sure that you follow. Make sure that you follow. So definitely, guys, you can see some significant price levels. You can check to your the other side. There's some price levels, some significant price levels here, guys, such as that 3,384.43 and also 2,638.31 and that 2,417.81. So these three are our significant price levels, with an additional support level further down. Okay, so you can see there is a zone. So the zone around 1,743.64 and 1,171.68 marks that broader support area. Okay, so you also want to see so we also have a descending resistance line marking a downward trend, indicating that price is facing consistent selling pressure as it attempts to rise as well. So let's just do something, some analysis and observations that I prepared for you. Okay, so you can really see that the chart is showing Ethereum trading within a descending channel. This is just suggesting a potential bearish trend or a period of consolidation. This pattern, if you know, it typically indicates that the price is making lower highs and lower lows as well. And you can also notice that here, guys, the price appears to be interacting with the resistance line, but it's facing rejection around 3,384 level, and then but it will find support at around $2,417.81 and below that. Okay, and our MACD seems to be indicating some sort of bearish crossover as well. So let's do some strategic considerations. Okay, what to watch and what to do. Okay, so you can see that the area around 3,384 is serving as that significant resistance level, and a break above this level with strong volume could signal a potential bullish reversal or breakout from a descending channel. Okay, you can also see that at 2,417 and the broader zone near that 1,743 are crucial support areas there. And the problem that we're going to have is that if these two levels fail or avoid holding, it could indicate further downside potential. But so they're just going to hold. Okay, they're holding quite well. This is good for you. What are some of the things that you can do if you want to trade or invest in here, guys? So if you're bearish, if you're feeling bearish, you might consider, you want to, if you're gonna go bearish, you want to consider some short positions if the price continues to decline within the descending channel, right? Especially if it breaks below the key support levels with increased volume. For a bullish outlook, definitely a break above the descending channel's resistance line, particularly if it breaks above that 3,384.43, could be a sign of a trend reversal. Okay, so definitely that's what we have for you for youth. So you can see that youth is currently in a bearish or in a consolidating phase, as indicated by the descending channel there. So what is going to play a key role here, guys? What's going to play a crucial role? Okay, so your support, number one, and your resistance levels, okay? These are the ones that you should monitor to what? To determine the next move, okay? And if you're a trader, you want to be cautious and watch for clear signals, breaks, resistance levels, and so forth and so on. Okay, so this is the what I'm just breaking it down like how it is for you guys. So definitely, let's see if we have another one. I'm sure that is the only one that we had for youth. There you go. And obviously you can see that one, guys. That's where we're at. At present, the price has fallen below the platform and is above the previous support line. If you want to rebound and go along, you can pay attention to the support of 2,415 and 2,145 US dollars. Okay, so yeah, you can monitor by yourself. Okay, definitely, but you still should try to watch out for all of this that we've told you right now. Okay, but definitely, let's go to the next one. I think we've just reached the end of our live broadcast, and definitely. So the support levels around 2,415 and 2,145 US dollars are just crucial for you to watch. If they hold, they could provide a strong base for that potential rebound. Okay, so for a long position, confirming support at these levels along with positive signs from indicators could be a good thing. So it would strengthen the case for an upward move. Okay, so keep an eye on these two levels. Okay, let's go on. That's all that I just had. Let's go trading review, guys. Go look at this. This is our trading review for the past few months. The only crypto that we have over here is the only crypto we have here is XRP. XRP, the most. This is one of them that was doing well in last month, and all these other ones are other companies. So this is just our trading review, guys. Go check it out. If you want it, please follow us on WhatsApp. Okay, and we will send it to you. These are, you can see we've got some recommended dates, maximum increase, suggested buying price, but some of those dates are way back. So yeah, you just gotta be careful. You just gotta be diligent. If I was you guys, I would tell you to focus more on the ones we did for the previous month. Okay, this one right here for these companies that we just did in July. Okay, so please go check it out for yourselves, guys. Don't forget to text us a message on WhatsApp. Exactly. Just text us a message. Here is more like an educational platform, but there's so many other things that we're currently doing. Right now, we want to work with people that are in crypto. If you're in crypto, if you're in blockchain, I'm also looking forward to for people to work with or to partner with. Okay, I have a business proposal, and definitely, guys, I would want for you guys, if you're such a person, if you're like-minded, if that is your field, then definitely I would want to work with you. So please do not forget to just follow us on our WhatsApp Day Scan and follow us as well, or just leave us a message on any of my videos if you want to connect, and we can connect with you guys. It was a pleasure. It was fun. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you tomorrow with another one as well. Okay, so bye-bye, guys. Yep. Before I go, let me just give you 1 second to scan. There you go. Text us. Okay, send communication there, guys. Adios. It was a pleasure. Okay.